So I am going to tell you about what is incognito features in YouTube. You have must have seen the incognito in your YouTube. I will show you where it is. Like
You can
if
see
you just
the
click on this
incognito photos, that
here
the symbol of
red here
incognito features.
here it
Okay,
shows
here you
that
can see in
which
red,
email id you have signed in with the
bracket,
Google.
that your photo is shown here.
Your first
Okay,
letter, your
this
photo
is my
will
photo,
show
and it
will
shows
be shown here.
that
Okay, my photo
the email
is shown
id
here.
shows the particular
Okay,
email id which I have linked with YouTube. Okay,
I I will
I have
click
clicked
on
on
this.
this, and I will show you
I have
where
clicked on
the
it this, and
incognito
I will
features
show you
is.
where
So
the
here it is,
incognito. Here you can see the incognito features of YouTube.
incognito feature.
This is incognito features. What will happen if I turn on these features? Okay, let us see. I have for your better visuals, I will take it as full
Full
uh,
screen.
what we call full full view. Okay, so I'm removing my face. Okay, let us let us see what will happen if I turn on this incognito features. This feature incognito, I have just click on it. I have clicked it. This first first changes you will observe here, that where which email id have I have linked it is removed. Okay, and what will search will not be shown in the search history. Here it is, that is search history. Search history. Okay, I have already turned on this incognito features. Okay, now I'm going to search anything, like I have searched for zebra. Many option will be shown by the YouTube. Here it is a zebra cake, zebra cartoon zebra. Okay, I have clicked on it. I have search. Here it is, I have search. I have clicked on it. I have get various videos. I have get I have get various videos of zebra that I have searched. Okay. Now 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 I'm going to turn off this. There, this incognito features. I will click here. I will click here, and the incognito will be turned off. You can see the changes, that again the my photo and the email id which I have signed with Google is shown here. So this shows that with the help of incognito features, you are not well linked with the YouTube, and what you have searched will be not shown here in the search history. Let us see that it shows zebra or not. No, you can see that zebra is not found here. What previously what previously have searched, this is shown by this this search history. Okay, if you want see one more example, then I will show you. I have turned off my incognito. This you can, this shows this, it is not turned on. Okay, now let us search for anything like, like my channel name. My channel name is Gloss Notes. Okay, now search that. This shows the videos of videos of my YouTube channel. Okay, videos of my YouTube channel. Okay, now remove this. You can see that here it is. It shows the Gloss Notes. It shows what I have searched without incognito features is shown in the search history. But when we turn on the incognito features of YouTube, the searches, what I have searched will be not shown in the search history. So this is the features of incognito. Now I will tell in Hindi, that is the Indian language, that कि मैं ग्लो से जो मैं इनकॉग्निटो फीचर्स के बगैर जो सर्च करूँगा वो सर्च में शोज करेगा. ठीक है, वो सर्च में शोज करेगा. अगर हम इनकॉग्निटो को टर्न कर लेंगे, अगर हम इस इनकॉग्निटो, ये देखिए, इस इनकॉग्निटो को अगर हम टर्न कर लेंगे और हम उसके बाद हम सर्च करेंगे, तो वो हमारे सर्च हिस्ट्री है, जो सर्च हिस्ट्री होती है वहाँ पे वो शोज नहीं करेगा. यहाँ पे शोज नहीं करेगा. फिर मैं बोल देता हूँ क्या मैंने बोला है कि इनकॉग्निटो फीचर्स को अगर हमने टर्न ऑन कर दिया है, उसके बाद हम सर्च करेंगे तो वो हमारे इस सर्च हिस्ट्री में शो नहीं करेगा. और टर्न ऑफ करेंगे और तब उसके बाद सर्च करेंगे तो वही हमारे इस सर्च हिस्ट्री में ये सब शोज करेगा. ओके, यही कहना था. इस चैनल, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर among your friends so that information will be possessed by everyone. Okay, thank you.